Right, guys, you could tell in the last video that we weren't sure exactly what to do. Like I said, we're trying to do the cheapest wide body build we can do, and spray paint just wasn't cutting it. So we went and got the actual paint. This is automotive paint, so we're gonna mix it and do it right. I did have it matched to the door because I don't know if the car's been repainted or if the color's a little off now, but hopefully it matches pretty good. It should be pretty right now. All right, the first thing we got to do is scuff this up. It can be real fine sandpaper or just a little scuff pad like this, but you want to take all the shine off to make sure that the paint sticks. You also want to make sure you wipe it down with some final wash or something like that. You see it there, which I've just wiped it down. And it'll evaporate off there pretty quick. They'll clean off any oils before you spray it. All right, next you want to do some adhesion promoter on there. This helps if you're spraying on plastic and urethane or anything like that. So just want to spray a layer of it on there, and that'll help the paint lay down and stick, kind of mold to it better. All right, guys, the next step is primer them now. So prime comes out pretty quickly. Right, guys, once you get them primed, you want to hit them with just a little bit. This is 2000 grit sandpaper, just to knock off any of the roughness to it and make it nice and slick. And the last bit of wet sanding done on everything. Everything hanging up, ready to go. We're gonna start hosing them down with some paint. Right, guys, got everything painted and done. The sun is starting to leave us now. As you can see them, they look pretty good. A little bit of orange peel, so we'll have to wet sand and buff them, but you know, we didn't get any runs and anything, and that's pretty awesome. So especially for two guys that don't know what they're doing. Like I said, we're not professional painters or anything by any means, but looks all right. Luckily Daddy was a professional detailer, so we should be able to buff them out and make them look pretty good. So all right, that's it, guys. Appreciate it.
All right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video for your chance to win the AMR 500 Supercharger.